It has been said that the law of attraction can manifest itself in matters of wealth, health, and happiness. Part of the happiness is having fulfilling relationships. These can be romantic love relationships or familial relationships or simple friendships. The law of attraction affects them all. Whether you are trying to put the law of attraction to use in your life or not, it is always at work. You are always putting out vibrations into the universe. They are always collecting with like energies and coming back to you. The difference when you deliberately use the law of attraction is that you focus on the things you want. Then, these positive things return to you. What you give your attention to is what becomes important in your life. Once something becomes important to you, you will develop an excitement about it. That excitement will turn into a power that is greater than any you can drum up by simply repeating words about what you want. The law of attraction works in relationships as well as it does in anything else. By deliberately using the law of attraction, you can find that special person you are looking for. One step is to determine what it is you want from a mate. Make a list. Write down strengths you would like the person to have. Write down joys you would like to share. Once you have a more concrete idea of what you want, the universe will bring you to your mate through the law of attraction. This will happen through matching of frequencies. You send out the frequency of what you want. That vibration goes out and collects with other frequencies like it. In other words, it matches. When your frequency is vibrating in concert with another frequency, it will only be a matter of time before you meet someone. The law of attraction will be at work. At this point, you should follow your hunches. If you have the urge to do something on a different schedule than usual, then do it. This may be how you find your mate. Just let the law of attraction do its work. Continue to reaffirm in your mind the fact that the person you are looking for exists. Believe that you will find that person. Draw your attention and excitement to the subject. Things will happen. Other relationships work on the theory of matching as well. You put out energy towards a person in your life. That energy can be for or against them. Whatever energy you send them will match whatever energy in them that is like that frequency. You will get the result you expect. This is the law of attraction. If you are feeling down, the law of attraction will supply you with a companion in despair. As the two of you spiral down, you will be better off if you decide to let the law of attraction work for you instead of against you. Find ways that your frequencies can vibrate in harmony in a positive way. This will strengthen and lengthen friendships like nothing else. Your relationships can develop into more than they ever were before. Your friendships can be deeper. You can live in harmony with your relatives. Your love interests can become lifelong partners. The law of attraction can make it all come true.